If you're one of the many people who are wondering what exactly DrawAFence does, you're not alone because we've created something that hasn't existed before now. So I'm going to show you right now exactly what DrawAFence does and how it is going to change the way fence companies create shop drawings. So first I need to log in. Okay, once you logged into DrawAFence.com, you'll land up on the home page, which has category buttons that will take you to all the different drawings on the website. And what we've done is we've created a system where getting a fence shop drawing is as easy as buying something on Amazon or another site like that. And I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So I want to create a drawing of a commercial chain link fence. So I'm going to go to the commercial chain link page and I want to generate a drawing that doesn't have barbed wire. So I'm going to select the 6-foot commercial or industrial. We are still adding more drawings to our drawing libraries. So currently we've got 6-foot and 6-foot plus barb, but we're going to be adding 8-foot and 8-foot plus barb. And then if there's demand for 7, we'll add 7 as well. So I'm just going to draw a simple fence right now with the bottom wire and concrete. And I just want a regular fence. Each page on the site does have these little thumbnails that pop up so you can see exactly what the fence drawing is going to look like, and you can make sure that you're selecting the right one. So I'm going to select that drawing right now. And every time you log into DrawAFence.com, this little help box is going to pop up with the first drawing that you do, just to remind you what you need to do, which is fill in all the fields, click the button below the form input that says Draw My Fence, check the drawing on the preview, but remember that the on-screen preview doesn't look like the finished PDF version because it's sized for screens. And then once you're happy with your drawing, you scroll down and get your drawing by clicking on the PDF button. So it's really simple. And then I have filled in this form before, so it's going to remember the information that I've entered the last time I used this form. But as you can see over here, there's a lot of things that you can choose. So you can choose a commercial or industrial fence. You can choose which color your fence needs to be. You can select the different kinds of posts that you want to have, including wall thicknesses and things like that. Manually enter your concrete depth and diameter. Select the line post that you want, your line post spacing, and again, the footings, you can enter those manually. And then it's got top rail options, whether you want pressed steel or aluminum fittings, all the different mesh options that you can have. Again, you can choose whether you want galvanized or PVC coated mesh, different bottom wire options, tie wire spacing, hoggling spacing. So really everything that goes into writing a fence specification, you can select for your drawing. And then once you've created your drawing over here, it's going to tell you the fence is 6 foot high. All the specifications over here are going to be what you've entered and selected from the form above. So it'll automatically enter all of that stuff into this written specification section. And then it'll give your drawing a title, which in this case is a black commercial chain link fence that's 6 foot high. Enters all your customer information and all your company information, and you're good to go. If you wanted to change something, let's say if you selected the wrong post size, you could go back to the terminal posts, choose a different size, and then redraw your fence. And it will give you the new post size that you've selected in your written specification. So now you're ready to go. You click the PDF button under the drawing, give it a second, and you've got a custom shop drawing for your fence that's got your project information, your specification options, and your company information. And this is ready to be downloaded, emailed, printed, saved, whatever you need to do with it. And then next time you want to come back and do a different drawing, you can just select different options from the specification section and it'll recreate whatever you need there. So that's what we essentially be doing with DrawAFence.com. We're creating a library of professionally drawn CAD drawings, and then creating specifications that you can select from to specify exactly what you're going to be giving to your customer. And then we're generating a shop drawing that is professional grade that you can send to a client, whether it's a developer or an architect or someone at the government, or you could even submit these with if you're doing a permit application and they need to see what the fence is going to look like, you could submit that to municipality. So as long as it's a standard fence and there's nothing sort of strange or odd about it, it'll be easy to create a professional grade drawing that specifies exactly what you're going to be doing and with what materials, and it is branded with your company information and address to your customer. So it's great for marketing, it's great for making sure that everybody knows exactly what's going to be happening on your project, and it's really simple to do. As you can see, the actual drawing part of this conversation probably took me less than 2 minutes. So if your fence estimators and project managers are bogged down with getting jobs and getting bids and getting quotes out the door, they don't have to worry about trying to fit in figuring out how to get a shop drawing ready for someone. They can just log in, create a drawing in 2 minutes, send it to their customer, and be done. Thanks for listening.